IFTTT is a versatile automation platform that connects various apps, devices, and services to create simple conditional statements called applets. Here's how to use IFTTT effectively. Create an account. Start by signing up for an IFTTT account on their website or mobile app. Discover applets. Explore existing applets created by the IFTTT community or create your own from scratch. Choose triggers and actions. Each applet consists of triggers and actions. Select the trigger service that initiates the action and define the specific trigger event. Connect services. Connect the services or devices you want to integrate with IFTTT. This involves logging into your accounts and granting IFTTT permissions to access data or perform actions. Customize applets. Customize the applet by configuring parameters such as filters, delays, or additional conditions to refine when and how the action occurs. Activate and test. Activate the applet to start automating tasks based on the defined triggers and actions. Test the applet to ensure it functions correctly. Explore and manage. Explore other applets, manage your existing ones, and discover new ways to automate tasks and improve productivity across various aspects of your digital life.